Good evening. This is live weather blog meteorologist Bob Acanfrio here. I'm highlighting some of the severe weather that we have going on in the states of Minnesota and Wisconsin today. We're seeing this big line of thunderstorms here erupt. We have a tornado warning right now as we speak. Actually, a tornado was sighted on the ground here just north of La Crosse, Wisconsin. It's this cell right in here if you could see it. And these are the cells right out ahead of this main line that we're going to have to watch for tornadic activity right in here. This line's going to progress eastward through the evening hours. I'll show you where the current tornado watch box is right up in this area here till about 7 o'clock Central Time, which is 8 o'clock Eastern Time. This is the main area of focus for severe weather today. You can see the numerous tornado and high wind reports. We've had 4 tornado reports already. The most recent one here, let me scroll down. The most recent one here in Jackson County, Wisconsin, on the southeastern side of Osseo, Wisconsin, and that was for that cell north of La Crosse. We've also had some tornadoes in southeastern Minnesota today in Rice and Dakota County, and that was right up in this area here, just to the southeast of Minneapolis. And then again, this latest cell right here that's spawning a tornado. So we'll have to be on the watch for tornadoes across Wisconsin. Mainly the focus is going to shift across, again, southeastern Minnesota. Possibly could catch northeastern Iowa here, and then throughout most of the state of Wisconsin for the rest of the evening. And here are the current watch boxes here. We have a severe thunderstorm watch for northeastern Minnesota right in here. And then again, our focus for tornadoes, it's going to be extreme southeastern Minnesota, extreme northeastern Iowa, and then most of the state of Wisconsin. We'll click on this here, and you can see this current watch box right here. This one is going until 7 o'clock Central Daylight Time. And you can see the tornado warnings right here. Here's La Crosse. These are all north of La Crosse right in here. So, you know, Wausau, Wisconsin, you'll be in the line for these storms in the next couple hours as they move east-northeast. And you could see right here, high risk of severe winds, everything else in the moderate range for tornadoes, EF2 plus tornadoes, severe hail, everything. Pretty big line of storms right here coming through. And if we look at the next one here, and this is that severe thunderstorm watch. Again, a little less. The main line's out here east in Wisconsin. This is where the main focus is for tornadoes. And then we have the second line behind it, a little weaker, and these are mostly being the severe thunderstorm range here across northeastern Minnesota. And then also in the southeast today, we've had numerous thunderstorm warnings here, especially for this cluster in extreme southeastern Georgia. This is going to come west of Jacksonville. We've had a nice sea breeze blow in this evening. We had some erupt near Jacksonville earlier, but now we have a main focus along the sea breeze front right in here. And this whole area right in here is going to be a focus for some severe storms today. Even some up along the eastern shore of North Carolina here. We might see a few severe storms pop up as well. So again, the main focus for the rest of this evening into tonight is going to be right up in here across Wisconsin. You see the moderate risk of severe weather. Might see some storms start to erupt down towards the southern extension here into Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, up in this area. But this will be the main focus. Some severe storms in the southeast here. And then tomorrow we're going to have the focus shift towards the east. And this is for tomorrow now. This will be for Chicago, Detroit, Cleveland, Indianapolis, all the way down to St. Louis. So this will be the focus for severe weather tomorrow, okay? Thanks for listening, guys. I'll have another tropical update for you guys tomorrow morning, and also look at the severe weather that happened overnight tonight. Have a good day. Bye-bye.